Hey there, want to find your list of blocked account on TikTok? It's a quick process. Let's do it right now, step by step. Just to be clear, we'll be going into your TikTok setting to find the full list of everyone you have blocked. Step 1. Open your profile. First, open the TikTok app. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. It's look like a small person's silhouette. This will take you to your profile page. Step 2. Go to settings. Now look at the very top right corner of your profile page. You'll see an icon with 3 horizontal lines. Tap on that. A menu will pop up from the bottom of your screen. Tap on setting and privacy. Step 3. Find the blocked list. In the setting and privacy menu, scroll down until you find the privacy section. Underneath the privacy option, you'll see a section titled interactions. The very last option is that interaction section is blocked account. Go ahead and tap on that. You should now see a complete list of every account you have blocked on TikTok. From here, you can choose to unblock anyone on the list. That's all there is to it. Finding your blocked account is a simple matter of knowing where to look in your setting. I hope this was helpful.